Hi guys, today we're going to be watching the Sonic 3 trailer on YouTube. And did y'all watch the first Sonic? It came up in 2020, and Sonic 2 came up in 2022, April 8th. And Sonic 3 is coming up in 2024 for 2 years. I'm so excited about this. We're going to go watch this trailer. And please like and subscribe. And do not watch Sonic. Do not watch Sonic 2 at 3 a.m., okay? So, let's watch the Sonic 3 trailer. It's like getting dark. Hold on, I'm gonna bring it closer. Okay, let's go watch this, guys. Hope y'all so excited about this Sonic 3 trailer. Let's go watch it. Wait, hold on. I need something over here. Y'all can see. Okay. Wait, can you see it? Let's go watch Sonic 3 trailer. Oh my god, these ads. I hate these ads so much. Oh, shut up. Oh my god. I'm so excited. It's Private and Paramount Plus. How did they know all about this trailer? Is that? I knew it. Is that Amy? Oh, it's the Donut Lord Tom. Oh my god, it's Silver. Well, I don't see Rouge. I do not see Rouge in there. But I'm gonna see her. I think I'm gonna see her in Sonic 3. Well, that was a quick trailer. Oh. I'm glad it's not over. Okay guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'm gonna make another video soon, and bye.